Hello, everyone. My name is Francisco Javier Blanco Colmenares. I am a university student at United studying sport management. In 5 years, I see myself achieving some of my big dreams. First, going to have 3 gyms running successfully in my series along with other business that promote Tulgil discipline and sports culture. Second, I be very strong and in self physical condition because fitness is not only my passion but also part of lifestyle and professional purpose. Finally, I want to be complete devoted to God, and so you work with dedication and gratitude. I believe that faith gives me strength to everything I do. There are many main goals for the future, and I am working every day to make them come true. Thank you for listening. Thank you.